Uh, Today, I want to give you something powerful, a powerful affirmation and some idea. Like I see so many people, so many of you want to achieve your goals, desires, and dreams, but because of all those things that is going in your life, maybe because of your career, maybe because of the work that you are doing, maybe because of the family situations, maybe because of your relationships and all. Mostly I keep hearing people, they keep saying that, oh, I'm stressed, I'm going through a lot of anxiety, or sometimes people, they keep saying that they are going through depression and stress and anxiety and all. So I want all of you to remember one thing: whatever we keep repeating, that's what become an affirmation. Like the way we do positive affirmation, same way when we are repeating something negative again and again and again, we are making those negative affirmations. So when you are saying I'm stressed, or I'm very busy, or I'm very busy, or I'm not able to do things, so you are affirming again and again and again and again and again. So you need to change that thing, and when you change, that's where your energy will come back, that's where your positivity will be restored, and that's where you could able to manifest everything. So now so many people are joining right now on this live session. Hi Manoj. Hi Mansi. Yeah, so many people are joining. So today I want you to do one thing for today. Whenever you feel, whenever you realize that you are talking something negative to yourself, when you are affirming something negative, like you are telling yourself that, oh, I'm so busy, or I'm so stressful, or I'm full of anger, or I'm feeling sad, I want you to remind yourself that no, I have to change it, I have to flip it, and you have to change it and say the things that you really want to feel. Because remember, none of you wants to feel, none of us wants to feel negative. No one wants to be stressed out, no one wants to be anxious, no one wants to be sad. But when we are keep repeating again and again and again, we are strengthening that negative energy. So what you are going to do today, you are going to flip it, you are going to change it, you are going to change and reprogram it, rephrase it, and say like, I am peaceful, I am joyful, I am happy, I am magical, I am feeling fresh, I am vibrant. So you have to change these wordings that you are using. So today I want all of you to be aware all through the day and keep changing the words that you are using. If it is not aligned with your desire, change it, flip it, change it, flip it. Because so that once you start changing your words, that's where things will start changing in your life. Once you start changing the word that is going inside your head, that's where your life will start changing. So today I am giving you a powerful affirmation to all of you, and this powerful affirmation is which will going to raise your energy. And this powerful affirmation is, these are the phrases that you are going to repeat all through the day. I'm perfect, I'm fresh, I am energetic, I'm vibrant. I'm perfect, I'm fresh, I'm energetic, I'm vibrant. I'm perfect, I'm fresh, I'm energetic, I'm vibrant. So this is the thing I want all of you to remind yourself today, and keep repeating, and let go of all your stress, let go of all your fears, let go of all your anxiety. And those of you who got this affirmation, right now you can write in the comment section, or you can write that in your story in Instagram, and you can tag me, and I'll share in my story, because that's how we spread this energy. I am perfect, I'm fresh, I'm energetic, I'm vibrant. I'm perfect, I'm fresh, I'm energetic, I'm vibrant. This is the thing, because you are the perfect creation of God. You are feeling fresh from your mind, body and soul. You are always full of energy, and you are a vibrant being. You have the power to transform your life, and you are full of energy, full of divine and positive energy. Yes, so guys, go ahead and write this affirmation. This is what you have to keep reminding yourself on a daily basis, at least for today, because tomorrow I'm going to give you something more. And make it your story status, and you can tag me so that I can share your story on my story section. And Keep reminding yourself, and remember today what you are going to do. You are going to flip your energy, you are going to flip your words. Whenever you realize that you are saying something negative, if you are saying my relationship is not working, remind yourself and say my relationship is working, my relationship is going to work for sure. If you are feeling that I am lonely, you have to tell yourself, no, my life is magical. If you are saying that I am stressful, you have to remind that I am peaceful. If you are saying I am drained out, you have to say that I am energetic. If you are saying that, oh, I am feeling old, you have to remind that, no, I am fresh and vibrant. So all of you have the power. Now I see some of you are asking about 555 technique is not working for you, or 2-cup method is not working for you. I request all of you to go to our YouTube channel, and recently I have made videos in explaining why 555 technique is not working for some people, or 2-cup method is not working for some people, and what you are missing and how you can make it work. I've recently created some really powerful videos. Go and watch those videos. Those videos will really help you. And yesterday I have made a video on how to use the revision technique for healing your relationship, healing your love life. Go ahead, check that video if you are yet to check it.